So today I decided I'm going to make some almond flour brownies. I've made several recipes with this almond flour before and they've turned out well, but I've never made the brownies from the recipe on the back of the bag, so I'm going to give these a try today. So I gathered all of my ingredients that I'll need for the brownies. I'll need 2 tablespoons of softened butter, half a cup of sugar. So I'm going to do 1/4 cup of this coconut palm sugar. I don't have very much. I probably have half a cup, but I'm going to do 1/4 cup of this and 1/4 cup of the stevia. I need 1 egg, 1/4 cup of almond milk. It says almond beverage, but I'm not really sure what other kind of almond beverage besides almond milk. So, almond milk. 1 teaspoon vanilla extract. 1 cup of the almond flour. And 1/4 cup unsweetened coconut powder. 1/8 teaspoon of salt. 1 teaspoon baking powder. 1/4 cup, it says chopped whole almonds, but I only have slivered almonds, so we'll just make that work. 1/4 cup of dark chocolate chips, and then it says more almonds for garnish. So I've softened my 2 tablespoons of butter. I have my 1/4 cup coconut sugar, and I preheated my oven to 350. So I'm going to add the butter and sugar to my mixer. And here's my 1/4 cup coconut sugar. So now here's my 1/4 cup of stevia. And then we are going to cream this together. So now that the butter and sugar is mixed together, we want to add an egg. Should I try to crack this with one hand? Oh no, I'm scared. I think I'm gonna have shells if I do this. How is this going? It's kind of poking me, but it'll do. And I don't see any shells, so we're good. And now add in your 1/4 cup almond milk and your teaspoon of vanilla extract. Here's a little weather break. I think it's gonna rain. Just an afternoon in Florida. So in a separate bowl, I've added 1 cup of almond flour, 1/4 cup of cocoa powder, 1/8 teaspoon sea salt. I just use regular salt, or I used pink Himalayan salt, and 1 teaspoon of baking powder. So I'm going to mix that together. So now I'm going to add the dry ingredients to the wet ingredients. And then I'm going to blend that until just mixed. I'm not going to overmix it. So because of the thunderstorm, it's pretty dark in here, but this smells incredible. So I mixed in my 1/4 cup slivered almonds and my 1/4 cup chocolate chips. Yeah, so then you stir those in and then add it to a 8x8 pan. It said to spray it, but I just prefer to use parchment paper instead. Okay, so I added the batter to the pan, and the recipe said almonds for garnish, but I'm gonna opt for chocolate chips instead. So now I'm gonna put it in the oven that's preheated at 350 for 30 to 35 minutes. So here they are, fresh out of the oven after 30 minutes. They smell so good. I gotta let them cool though. Yummy! So here are the brownies. I have my milk. Let's do a taste test. Okay, here we go. Mmm. Very good. It's definitely more of a cake brownie than a fudgy brownie, but less of a cake brownie than other brownies that I've made with almond flour. Yeah, and I like the slivered almonds. Like they're kind of barely there. It's not like a big crunch. But I think that the outside of the batter has a little bit, like, it's a little bit crispy like regular fudgy brownies are. So I think that's why it feels more like a fudgy brownie than just a cake brownie. Yes, I would definitely make these again. I'm dropping crumbs. So good. Oh my goodness. Highly recommend that you make these for a healthy-ish sweet treat. So, happy baking! Bye!